everybody. I'm having wine, John's not.
No, I need to have all of my senses, my wits about me.
Yeah, because you might be filming the B-roll.
No, not because of that. It's because we're making macaroni and cheese with no cheese.
We are making a vegan dish, which is macaroni and cheese, but not cheese.
I'm very skeptical.
I never made it before. I've never had it, actually. I don't think I've ever had vegan mac and cheese. And the secret ingredient is this nutritional yeast that a lot of vegans use. It kind of has like that cheesy flavor, but there's no cheese in it. It's actually pretty healthy for you, and actually it smells
like feet.
No, it smells.
No,
fungus. It does not. Stop. And this is Bragg's brand. They make good stuff. He's so dramatic.
Can I go over the ingredient list?
Yes.
So the ingredients are, we have this nutritional yeast, it smells like feet. We've got salt, garlic powder, and turmeric. Some lemon juice. We have 2 cups of cashews that have been soaking for like 6 hours, and first you boil the water, then you soak them. So we have the cashews, and we're also going to use that disgusting cashew water that's in there. Goes into this as well.
This is why I'm drinking and he's not.
And then finally, the only ingredient that I'm completely on board with, elbow pasta.
Because John loves.
Oh! Anyway, I'm waiting for some water to boil.
Before you continue,
Okay, yeah.
So you have the holy ravioli. Now, I got my best friend animal shirt because I'm for the animals and I'm trying not to eat any kind of animal. Best Friends Animal Society.
Best Friends Animal Society.
Not sponsored.
This is actually a pretty quick process according to the recipe we saw.
Okay. And this is something that my mother-in-law actually marked in the Stop and Shop recipe book. She said, good one.
That's a good one.
We'll see. If you want, Jayne Poo, why don't you start putting everything into your food processor?
Well, you gotta put the
and then if you've
cashew.
watched any of our other videos, you know that I hate this food processor.
the best
and
one
I
in the
have been
world.
telling Jayne that I want to buy a new one that
I
can
like
handle
this one.
big things. So let's see how it does with cashews.
So I just want everyone to know, you put the cashews in with the water.
Yes, the water goes into the janky,
So I'm gonna
cloudy cashew water.
How is it janky? It's just soaking in cashews. It's not dirty.
I love drinking water soaked in cashews. Cashews soaked in water.
So I'm gonna put the nutritional yeast. I guess this is not gonna really have that much B-roll because it's pretty easy. All right, Lai, maybe just a little bit. See if you can figure out this janky
No,
thing.
go that way. Oh, okay, it goes that
Are
way.
you sure it's locked on it?
No, I don't know how this even works.
You didn't do it? Oh, now we gotta lift it up.
What
Be
are you
right back,
talking about?
folks.
I'm gonna just make the pasta because I know how to do that.
I saved the day.
Pasta's in the water, 8 minutes, no more. This is getting blended up. You still got stuff in here.
All right, so
I want to just show you, right? I perfectly measure out all the spices. Look at how much is left in there.
there's like nothing. Well, if you're gonna put it in, put it in. I gotta show you all. He's yelling at me about putting it in. But where he puts it? On the top of the spindle or whatever it is.
Mix it up.
Wait, well, I gotta get that. That's where's the spoon? You gotta. How can you mix it up if it's not in there?
That's use your 8 finger.
No.
You don't think that it would have shot up there?
No, it doesn't work like that. That's not how any of this works. Don't get married.
Stop for now. Let's
Yeah.
wait till this is just about done.
Okay.
And then you can give it one final.
It doesn't smell bad.
You ever see
Did you
when
put
you open up a diaper of a baby who's eating something that they
See?
don't want to eat? And it's a little bit,
Oh, and Sammy has poopy mouth.
I mean, that is what that looks like. Baby diarrhea.
No, it doesn't.
Baby diarrhea.
It doesn't.
Comment in the comments below if you think it also looks like baby diarrhea.
It doesn't.
You can do anything.
Let's see. Let's just see. It doesn't taste bad. It's no, it's the consistency. Like I feel like it's too cashewy. Like it needs to.
It's all cashews.
No, but you can get it smooth. That's better. One more. Okay, I think that's good. Oh, that looks perfect. That looks a lot better.
You got 3 minutes left on the pasta.
Okay.
That looks delicious. I can hardly wait to taste it.
Here it is. Comment down below. Is your husband an idiot like mine?
All due respect to anyone who is vegetarian, vegan, I get it. To each his own. Do what you want. That's your choice. Great.
Yeah, but John, I have to be honest with you. The plant cheeses that I've been getting, they're really good. They've come a long way. I swear to God. Have you tried it? No. You haven't tried it, so how would you know?
I'm Italian. I'm not eating no plant-based mozzarella.
Really, really good. Melted, it's
Mozzarella made from a
amazing.
tree?
I don't know, it's better. Those soy cheeses from years ago were disgusting. They're like rubber. These are not like that.
We do love each other, though. Honestly, even though we're yelling at each other today.
We always banter, but we don't have major fights. Only once or twice we did. You know. How long have we been together?
10, 11, 12 years.
No, I met you in 2007.
12, 35 years. I don't know.
No, 2007. What were we? Oh, 15 years. Wow.
Long time.
Man. So you're gonna fight. Everybody fights. But
Everybody fights.
we banter, but I don't think. You know, we don't fight. But I think after everybody gets on each other. Like your girls argue with each other.
I would say in all of our time together, we've probably only had like 2 or 3 really
major.
big fights.
Yeah. And they were
But even those
stupid
stupid
crap.
fights.
I don't remember what they were over. I remember the fight.
The culmination of the fight was I didn't say goodbye to her in the morning when I left for work one day.
No, that
was
it.
that's not what we had a fight about, but that's when that was like the result of the fight. We were so mad at each other that I didn't say goodbye to you in the morning.
Oh yeah.
Imagine.
Because we say goodbye to each other every morning when he goes to work. We always say goodbye.
Pasta is
Okay.
vernoot.
Venut?
No,
You want to
I gotta drain
clean?
it first.
Okay. Dribbit, stack. Okay.
That looks disgusting. Hold on.
Wait, let me because this is gonna come out. Hold on.
Oh my god. Some of this up here. Oh yeah, macaroni and mustard.
Oh, your dad would love it.
What do you have for dinner tonight? Macaroni and chunky mustard.
I want you to get right in there. I want you.
Okay, here we go.
It's hot.
It doesn't taste bad.
No.
I mean, listen, you're not gonna fool me. It's not macaroni and
No,
cheese.
but it's not bad.
But it's not bad.
You know what it needs? Salt.
No, I don't think so.
Yeah? I like a little more salt. Salt?
A little grated Parmesan cheese on top of there would be perfect.
No. Salt or some kind of other spice. Like oregano or something. I mean, you know it's not macaroni and cheese, but is it horrible? No, it's not like making you want to vomit. It's not something you would order, but you...
It tastes better than that looked.
Yeah.
Because it does look like elbows and mustard. Pretty good.
I don't know, I like it.
I don't hate it.
Okay, so it wasn't a total disaster.
No, I don't hate it.
I
Listen, you want to watch your weight, and God knows.
Yeah, but eating pasta.
Daddy's got to watch his weight. And
It
you
is
don't want to
bad
have
for
all that cheese, and it is pretty fast to make.
you. Yeah.
It's pretty simple.
The only thing that's time consuming is soaking the cashew.
Right, but it's not bad. All right,
Say it.
I'll admit it when I'm wrong. It's not as disgusting as I thought it would be.
All right. The ingredients and the recipe will be in the link. Not in the link. Will be in the description box below. This is the second video we did today. I'm doing reels. Like I can't even talk about. Like, comment, subscribe, do those fun things. I know a lot of you don't comment. I know you're watching. You come to me in the store, like some of our customers and like other people on Instagram tell me you watch this stuff. Like, let us know what you want us to make. Like, I want to make what you want to see. Is there something that you always wanted to try and want us to try it first?
Make it something good, please.
Yeah, make something. We don't care if we bake it, we cook it, I don't know, fry it. I would like an air fryer.
Something nice.
Send me an air fryer.
Pasta. I mean,
Yeah,
what I gotta make. Well, that's it. Hasta la vista.
Vegans, I hope you subscribe.
Okay, just tell me what to do.
Smile and make like you like me.
I don't need to know the process. Just tell me what you want me to be. Just tell me what you want me to do. What am I supposed to do?
Just look and smile
Okay.
and hold it.